Hey, it's your boy Crypto Expat, back with another video, and today we're going to talk about Binance Vault. And the Binance Vault is a new product. It's relatively new. And basically it's like an aggregator within the Binance ecosystem, and it takes a couple of products, and it basically allows Binance to get the best yield for you, and it gives you flexibility of going in and out of these products like simultaneously with like one click. So instead of like doing staking, or you could do the Launchpad projects, which are the new projects, or you could just stake your BNB in a fixed where it's locked up for a certain period of time. This BNB Vault, this new product, will basically just allow you to do all of those, and it'll look for the best yield, so you don't have to figure it out, and you can get in and out of it. So let's just go to the first product here, which I'm talking about, the Launchpad product. Okay, so if you're not sure what the Launchpad product is, when these new projects launch on Binance as IEOs or initial coin offerings, what happens is when you have so much BNB in your wallet, you're allowed to enter this lottery, and what will happen is Binance will give you an allocation according to the lottery, and you get picked for basically a ticket or so many tickets depending on how much BNB you have. And if you have tickets, you win the tickets, then what will happen is you'll get allocation to buy this new project. So for example, Axie, which is doing very well at the moment, it's 3x'd already. You could have bought this at the IEO if you had your Binance in your spot wallet. And the more you have, the more chances of winning these tickets. You get basically this token at IEO price, which was 10 cents. So now, today it's something like it went to 36 cents. So those people that bought it at the IEO price would have already tripled their money. So that's one of the benefits, I guess a side benefit, which is not really got to do with the vault, but you should be stacking your BNB anyway, in my opinion. Now, Binance is a centralized exchange, and you hear this thing where people say no private keys, no crypto, or something of that nature. And to be honest, I trust Binance more than these decentralized protocols that haven't been audited, or they've been audited and they still say they're in beta, and it's all on your own risk, and at least with Binance, even though it is centralized, you don't own your private keys, it's one of the most secure platforms. Even though they did get hacked in the past, it is one of the most secure platforms and the biggest centralized exchange of cryptocurrency right now in the world. I trust them more than I trust some of these DeFi protocols that just pop out of nowhere. So anyway, enough of that. So then what happens is, once you get in, you can get into these Launchpad projects. All you need is to just have, like for example here, you just need to have Carver in your spot wallet, or BUSD, or BNB, and then you can just stake this. You just come along. Let's say, for example, here, if I had some Carver in my wallet, I could just come here along here, click stake, and then I could just buy this, have this Carver, and then stake it over to, or just click stake here, and then I would just enter the amount I want to stake, and then I would start earning this new token. It's called Hard. That's the project, and I would just earn this for free. Okay, so that's what the Launchpad does. It allows you to just earn all these new Launchpad tokens for free, provided you've got BNB or BUSD. They even got this native token here, CTK, in your spot wallet, all right, which is just your wallet that you send to when you send the coins to Binance. These are the previous projects: Injection Protocol, Alpha Finance Lab, Sandbox, and there's some big names here: Carver, Band Protocol, Eldron. These all launched on Binance. Okay, Matic. So these are probably every month a new one comes along. So it's worth just either, if you don't get in the lottery, just get either BNB or BUSD, are usually the ones they allow, and just stake it and earn these tokens for free. So that's the first product that the Vault does, is this. But you don't have to do this, okay? The Vault will do this for you. Okay, the other product will be, so this is the other product, it's a DeFi Staking, and basically what that is you just have BTC, BNB, BUSD, USDT, DAI. These are the amounts, right? So for you to get into this, you need to have certain amount of BTC, a certain amount of BNB. They give you like a minimum, right? USDT, and so forth. So if I wanted to stake DAI, I need to have 100 DAI, and I could put flexible lock. I'll get 8.79% at fixed rate, okay? But I need to do this, I need to have 100 DAI to get into this, okay? But with the Vault, I won't have to worry about this. It'll just automatically find the best yield, okay, out of the BTC, BNB, BUSD, USDT, and DAI. Automatically find which one's performing the best, and just pay me in BNB, which is awesome. Now I need to stake BNB, but you get my drift, right? I don't have to try to figure this out. I might go a bit here, or I think this one could be it, so I'll go on BUSD, or maybe I'll try out DAI. It'll automatically find you the best yield. So that's the second product that it does. And the third product is, I guess the third part of it is, you just need to stake your shares. So like when you stake BNB here, you have to stake BNB. It's like your shares in like the pool, if you want to call it. And this will then do all those things I just talked about with the Launchpad, find you the best Launchpad token rewards, find you the best DeFi staking, and by staking your BNB, you want to click on this thing here that says auto transfer. We will use your available balance of all spot accounts to purchase flexible savings. I'm going to have that on, so it'll just automatically do it for you, and there's no fees as well. Okay, so transactions within Binance, like off-chain, there's no, like, it's just within their system, right? So there's no fees. Not with this. And to stake, all you need to do is just come down here and just click stake, and then just put your amount of BNB that you want to put. Click max, and then accept the terms, and then confirm. And then the next cycle will you'll start earning these rewards. It's a really cool way, literally just hands-free. This is one of the most powerful ways to earn, using the BNB platform without knowing anything about it. You just come to the Vault and stake some BNB, and you'll start earning through this BNB yield aggregator. So it says here, what happens if to my funds on the day I subscribe? You just have to wait till the next interest calculation on the second day. If you want to redeem your funds, you can redeem your funds at any time. Okay, so this is flexible. You're not locked into anything, and there's you just redeem it. It'll go straight back to your spot wallet, okay? As well as the coins that you've been mining or staking. The rewards will automatically go back to your spot wallet as well. How often do I receive interest from BNB Vault? Interest on the BNB Vault is distributed directly into your account on a daily basis. Okay, so that's pretty awesome, which is the BNB, and it's also the Launchpad tokens. Okay, so you're going to be earning multiple tokens at once. Okay, guys, so that's just my quick overview. I think it's pretty brief, but I think just try to keep it simple as possible. And I still think that this is one of the best ways to earn crypto with literally hands-free, doing nothing. Just keep on stacking your BNB, even though it is centralized. I trust this more than a lot of decentralized protocols. And obviously, don't put everything in Binance. Spread your risk around. Put it in either other desktop wallets, offline cold storage wallets like Trezor or Ledger, and have it on other platforms. You might use Crypto.com or Celsius Network or BlockFi, and there's other wallets like Atomic Wallet, Exodus Wallet. You just want to spread don't have all your crypto basically on one platform is what I'm saying. All right, even though Binance is pretty awesome, I've never had an issue with them. They do have a SAFU account, insurance, money that they've tucked away in case there's a hack, and they do have daily cold wallet offline storage to prevent anyone getting into hot wallets. With all this protection, the best thing you can still do is to do your own managing of your own crypto, and that's the safest way. So this is a tool you can use. Use Binance to just basically put that crypto to work for you and compound it, and it'll take some time, but if you be consistent and you keep on building and buying these really good coins and staking them and using this BNB Vault, is just another tool you can use to build your crypto. Let me know your comments below. If you have any questions, leave us a comment. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. You get my latest uploads as soon as I upload them. You get a notification by Google. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.